CT Live on NBC Connecticut.
Welcome back into CT Live and the NBC Connecticut Kitchen Studio. I am joined right now by Crystal Bosse, and we know her as EatsByC on social media. You're a content creator. You are also a cake decorator, and this is your canvas. I am so excited to learn more about it. So tell me, how did you get into cake decorating?
Well, in my freshman year, I was just experimenting in my dorm, and my friends ended up loving everything that I baked. So I'm like, maybe I can make a career out of this.
Yeah, maybe there's something here.
Yep.
Okay.
And that's how I found my path. And here I am.
Here she is.
I'm so excited.
She's going to teach me how to decorate a cake. So which one are we decorating today? What's the theme?
This is a beach-themed cake.
So cute.
Yep.
I love it. And what's the flavors on the inside?
It's vanilla buttercream and vanilla cake.
Okay, I love it. It's so sweet. I have no idea what I'm doing. So you start me out. What color are we doing first?
So we're going to start off with the pink buttercream.
Okay.
And it's easier than you think.
Okay.
We're just going to do
take your word for it.
light pulse.
A light pulse. Oh, it's spinning. Did you spin it?
No.
How did it start spinning?
It's hot too.
Sorry. Like, wait a minute, the cake is spinning.
If you want, you can hold the canvas.
Okay.
And then pipe just some light pushes. Perfect.
Oh.
And these are called shells.
Man. Oh, wait, it's spinning out of control. Okay, hold on. Let me try again.
Okay, go ahead.
I didn't know we had ghosts in the kitchen.
They're everywhere.
So we can do this with you in a class form too. So is this? Oh, look at me, kind of.
You're doing such a good job.
Am I really?
Yes.
Oh, that one went a little crazy. Okay, so we can do this in a class form too, right?
Yes.
How big are your classes?
The biggest size was 50.
50?
Yes, 50 students.
Okay. Oh my gosh, that's a lot. I thought you were going to say like maybe 10. Okay, so 50 students come in, and what are we decorating? Does each one have a different theme?
So every cake is primarily the same, and I provide light snacks, music. Look at that! You did such a good job.
You're so nice. Okay, light snacks and music.
Yep.
That's really fun.
Yeah, just overall vibes, good, community. Like, we chit-chat in the beginning.
Okay.
Sometimes I'm like, okay, let me shut up and start to decorate, start to teach.
Less talky, more decorating.
Yes.
What color are we doing next? This is so fun.
Next, we're going to pick up our yellow piping bag.
Okay.
And we're going to be doing a border underneath.
Girl, how am I going to do that? Let me watch you do it first.
Okay. So the key is to hold the board.
Okay, so it doesn't run away on you. You know, she's a good teacher because she's more worried about what my cake is going to look like versus her actually decorating her own.
So we're doing swirls, but these are reverse. So
reverse swirls. Okay. You really put this on easy mode for me. Thank you, Crystal.
Oh my goodness.
Okay. Okay, we're doing swirls. Let me see if I can swirl. I'm guiding it with my hand.
Yep. And do the circle around, and that's perfect.
Oh gosh, you're so sweet.
It literally looks like mine.
Okay, so what are some of the other themes that you've done?
I've done bloom and buttercream, so that was like my April theme class, and it was really cute. Bunnies, little eggs.
Oh, fun.
Yep.
And you have a class coming up August 22nd. Is this the theme that people are going to be doing there?
Yes, this is the exact cake that they'll be making.
You can make this cake on August 22nd. I'm really proud of my little cake.
So cute.
All right, Crystal, well, thank you so much for joining us. This is so fun. You got to go hang out with her in her classes August 22nd. In the meantime, I'm going to slice into this guy. Thank you so much.
Thank you for having me. I enjoyed my time.
Anytime. All right, CT Live will be right back after this. Don't go anywhere.